Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your VW Passat with a key using an easy method. First, find the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. It might be hidden under a small cap. Insert your physical key all the way into the keyhole. Then, gently turn the key clockwise to unlock the door. You should hear a click as the lock disengages. This simple technique works even if your remote isn't functioning. Once the key is in, it's important to apply gentle but firm pressure as you turn it. Don't force it, but ensure you're giving it enough torque to engage the locking mechanism. You'll typically feel a slight resistance, then a clear click when the door unlocks. If it doesn't unlock on the first try, remove the key, reinsert it, and try again. This method is reliable for gaining entry when electronic systems fail. After successfully unlocking the door, open it and get into your Passat. Once inside, insert the key into the ignition and start the car. This often helps to reset the vehicle's security system. After the engine is running, try using your remote key fob to lock and unlock the doors. Sometimes, a manual unlock and car start can resolve temporary fob issues, getting you back to normal operation. If you encounter difficulty turning the key, inspect the keyhole for any debris or obstructions. A quick clean might be all it needs. Also, if your remote key fob wasn't working, it's a good idea to replace its battery. Sometimes, a fresh battery restores full functionality. And speaking of upgrades for a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.